Hello! Last lesson we were looking at the difference between the present simple and present continuous tense. Today let's have a look at the difference between the past simple and present perfect simple. We use the past simple to talk about completed actions or states which happened in a finished period of time in the past. There is no connection to now. For example, I went to Disneyland last year. This is a completed action which happened in a finished period of time in the past, last year. There are some markers which help us define the past simple. There are words such as ago and last. We use the word ago with the past simple to say when something happened. For example, we met each other 5 years ago. We use last plus time reference to mean the most recent or nearest time to the present day. For example, I saw a game on TV last night, or my parents traveled to Japan last year. In the past simple, we can also use the preposition for, but only for completed actions. For example, they met 10 years ago and worked together for 2 years. We use the present perfect simple to talk about the experience we've had or things we have done or tried in the past. It talks about if we did something, not when. I've been to Disneyland. It means I've been there sometime in my life up to now. The main message in the sentence is that I have such experience. If I want to give the information when it happened, I will use the past simple. I went to Disneyland 2 years ago. So you see, the sentence I've been to Disneyland shows if I did it, and the sentence I went to Disneyland 2 years ago shows when I did it. Also, we use the present perfect simple to talk about the completed actions which happened in an unfinished period of time that is connected to now. So, if we talk about completed actions in the present time, we use the present perfect simple. For example, I've eaten in McDonald's twice this week. This week is not finished yet. I've traveled to Italy this year. The year is not finished yet. We use the present perfect. There are some words which are often used with the present perfect. These are words such as for, since, just, yet, and already. Let's have a look at each of them. We use for plus a period of time and since plus a point of time. Look, I've known her for 2 months, or I've known her since April. We use just with the present perfect simple to show that an action is very recent. For example, I've just bought some new trainers. It means that it has happened a short time ago. We use not yet with the present perfect simple to emphasize that the situation has not started, but will probably happen at some point in the future. For example, I haven't done the shopping yet. And we use already to emphasize that the situation has started or an action has finished before now, probably sooner than expected. Like in the example, I've already finished cooking. Remember one very important rule. You must always use the present perfect when the time of an action is not important or not specified. And you must always use the past simple when the details about the time or place of an action are given or requested. There is also a difference in attitude between the two tenses, which is often important while choosing which tense to use. Here are 2 examples to compare them. So the first question: what did you do at school today? I use here the past simple tense because the question is about activities and the school day is considered finished. But in the second question, what have you done at school today? I use the present perfect because the question is about results. It means show me them. The time at which the question is asked is considered as a continuation of the school day.